the heat of the pitch is also hotter because competition is nice and high. Right now we've got, of course, Pool C action, the Asian match between Sri Lanka and the Philippines. Sri Lanka and the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen.
It makes a huge difference in somebody
We are
talking.
looking also at the referee is Tackle. He's in charge, and that's the ref. Thank you very much. Right here, we have also got Andrew Jackson, ladies and gentlemen. Andrew Jackson from all the way from Australia. He's been helping KH for quite some time, and let's see how. And Andrew also does a little commentary work, so I'm going to get Andrew to also do commentary together with me as we see a kickoff by Sri Lanka in the whites. They're playing from left to right. Team managers Christopher, chief coach is Yuta Marakan, whereas Philippines we got Phil Yutos, Matt Cullen is the coach. Wow. Andrew? Right, at the moment here we can see the Philippines in full command there, just about to what's happening right now on the pitch there. Try by number 5, that's Justin Kone, right? And so, of course, Philippines have already got that 5 points on the scoreboard. Conversion, so they've got number 1, Harry Morris, converting that particular try. So Philippines definitely moving very, very fast into top gear. And now at the moment leading Sri Lanka by 7 points to 0. Looking at the movement there by Sri Lanka, seem to be having a bit of pace down. Tackle there by the Philippines. And
nice tackle, baby.
Philippines on the attack with number 1 on the goal there. Harry Morris. Harry Morris has got about 3 or 4 Sri Lankans there. Bringing him down there, very quickly taken on to number 5. That's Justin Kone. Oh, they're trying to part their way through number 8 as well. That's Colin. Ball going loose there. That was trouble there, okay. Yeah, we've got Andrew Jackson here, and we can ask Andrew Jackson's comments. So, what do you think of the match overall, Andrew? Over to you.
Thank you, Jason. And it's great to be back in Kota Kinabalu as Sri Lanka make a break. Some great tackling there from Noel Field, that's doing some terrific work with the Philippines.
Nobody can believe that it's flowers.
Some good stepping work. Looking for
nice.
support comes. And an infringement. We'll see Sri Lanka on the attack. Srinath with the ball, and away they go. Short side play, good tackle, excellent work, but penalty. Sri Lanka get another chance to attack. Sri Lanka still looking to make the break, going from side to side. Srinath again trying to make inroads. Good work. Sri Lanka now have a chance.
We're talking about see, okay. Okay. And that was a very good turn of speed there, Andrew.
Yes, they certainly moved the Philippines from side to side. It was a great sevens rugby, looking for the gap and some great pace in the end.
Yeah. And now we're waiting for conversion. We did Sri Lanka. Let's see them equaling the score by Philippines. The Philippines went on very, very strongly. And now the conversion about to begin. No, not successful. So at the moment, Philippines on 7, Sri Lanka a fight back there on 5. Got about just 2 minutes remaining of this first half. Deep into the Philippine territory, that was number 8, David Cullen. Starting to move on the right. Nicely picked up by number 10, that's Mark Chatting. Not able to get away. Picked up a loose ball by Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka moving now from left to right. More support at the back. Nice to brought down there, but he's got a bit of support by his teammates there. A bit of covering up there done by Sri Lanka. I think it was number 1, if I'm not mistaken, Rika. Nice tackle there, nice tackle there.
Go.
Just good handle, just good handle.
Yes, Sri Lanka, they're just moving the ball too much, trying to get to the game line, but they did not have much support. And some terrific defence there by the Philippines. Excellent work by Sri Lanka to win that scrum against the head. Going wide. Unfortunately, an infringement coming in from the side. And that was Noel Field has been doing some terrific work for the Philippines, but at that time maybe a mistake of not coming from behind the good defence, but now there's a break on for Sri Lanka if they can find support. But the ball goes, and now Philippines have a chance. Still on. Good support play, that'll be a try to number 10. Mark Chatting.
Mark Chatting. Number 10.
Excellent play there by the Philippines. They put lots of pressure on the Sri Lankans. Sri Lankans gave up the ball and then they spread it wide. Good support. They deserve their lead at half-time, Jesse. They deserve their lead.
Yeah, it should be half-time right now. But Philippines moving away from Sri Lanka. I thought that was a bit of a spirited fight back by Sri Lanka. I thought Sri Lanka showed a lot of pace, a lot of speed as well. But I must say the Filipinos also have been